Good morning to all of you. Today we shall study English in class 10th and we are going to learn the second lesson of the first book. The name of our lesson is on violence and today we are going to study the first part of this book. This lesson will be explained by Mrs. Sunita Singh. On violence means to hurt or to harm someone or something physically. There is a great deal of violence in the world. It means we found the violence everywhere around us. There is physical violence and also inward violence. Violence is of two types. Number one is physical violence and second inward violence. Physical violence is to kill another, to hurt other people consciously, deliberately or without thought, to say cruel things full of antagonism and hate. It means physical violence is knowingly or unknowingly we say some bad comments, bad words, or we kill someone or we hurt someone. This is known as physical violence. And inwardly inside the skin, to dislike people, to hate people, to criticize people. It means inward violence is to hate some person, to say some bad comments or to criticize people. This is known as inward violence. Inwardly we are always quarreling, battling not only with others but with ourselves. In inward violence we are fighting not only with other persons but we are fighting with ourselves also in our mind. We want people to change, we want to force them to our way of thinking. It means that we want the persons to go the way we show them. They do as we want and they think as we think. In the world, as we grow up, we see a great deal of violence at all levels of human existence. It means wherever we found human beings, there we will find violence. And as we are growing up, we see violence in everywhere. The ultimate violence is the war, the killing for ideas, for so-called religious principles, for nationalities, is the killing to preserve a little piece of land. The last form of the violence is war. War is to kill the ideas. Ideas must be religious or it for nationalities or to kill a person for just a piece of land, small piece of land is the form of violence. To do that, man will kill, destroy, maim and also be killed himself. It means the person not only hurt the other persons, harm the other persons, but it also harms himself also. There is enormous violence in the world, the rich wanting to keep people poor and the poor wanting to get rich and in the process hating the rich. We found violence in everywhere. The rich people don't want that the poor people become rich. In this process they hate them. In the same way the poor people want to become rich and they also hate the rich person. And you being caught in the society are also going to contribute to this. As we are also part of this society, we will do the same thing. It means we are contributing in this.